that I'm bipolar. Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are enjoying everything you're watching. Yeah, so today, wow, I said that really quick. Okay, so today I want to show you, share with you yeah, so I just want to share my story with you. It's kind of like an emotional story, so disclaimer, if you don't like this type of hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are enjoying everything you're watching. And yeah, so today I want to share my story, share my story about me being bipolar and getting diagnosed and the whole process. So yeah, so keep on watching if you want to listen to my story. Want to keep it as positive as I can, and yeah, so keep on watching. Alright, so I don't know where to start. Well, I could start from my diagnosis. I kind of knew for like kind of the longest time that I might be bipolar, and I didn't know at that time, like at the beginning of the year, I didn't know, like I wasn't sure, but I knew kind of like how my mood would change sometimes. Like I was really depressed for a long time, and then I was super duper happy for a long time, and then I was afraid that the same thing was gonna happen each time. And so like I started to like search up like things, and then bipolar would come up. And so then I went into like one of like the biggest depressions of my life. It was really hard. It was so hard. I felt that my world was ending. And oh my god, I don't want to cry for this because it's the best. It's really hard. It's been super duper hard to deal with it. It's one of the biggest things that changed me. Oh my god, I'm getting emotional. Okay. Well, I guess I was never able to say it out loud. You know, it's hard to talk about it. It's hard to like go out there and be vulnerable about something that it's like a disease. It's a disease you were born with, or certain things, certain scenarios trigger it. And yeah, it's I don't know what my point was. Oh my god, I'm losing it. But yeah, it's hard. It's hard to live with it. It's something that it's like if you have problems with blood pressure, you have to find the medication for it, and like you have to do certain things to like be well, to feel well. Same thing with being bipolar. You have the medicine, and then you have to like not only just take the medicine and think that because you're taking the medicine you're well. No, you have to follow it with good habits. And it's really hard because when you're depressed, you don't want to do anything. And it's just, you feel alone, you feel like nothing is going the right way, nothing is going how you plan it. It feels like the world is just ending. That's just how it feels. Yeah. It is awful. It's like really hard to deal with. And I can't believe I'm even talking about it. I think this is one of the biggest steps in my life, coming to you about it and like telling my story. And like, if you need, like, if you are going through something like this or something similar, just know you're not alone. There's people out there that are going through same thing or harder things, and you just have to keep in mind to like be positive, stay positive. Know that there's always light at the end of the tunnel. There's always that light that makes you keep hope in yourself and like helps you get out of bed. You know, every time that today, it was one of those days that I just felt like so bad. I didn't want to get out of bed. I didn't want to do my life. It's hard because it's hard also to deal with that. And on top of that, sometimes you just want to disappear. You just don't want to exist anymore. And that is one of the saddest things about this, is that sometimes you just wanna be gone, you know? I don't know. Like, I don't wanna scare anyone. Like, I'm not thinking that. It's just sometimes that can happen. Sometimes you just start thinking things like this. And that's definitely one of the hardest part. One of the harder parts. It's, for some people might think, oh, it's stupid, or like, no, why would you do that, what would you blah blah blah, but it just feels, when you're depressed, it feels like you're in a dark place and there is no way out. So it's like that. And yeah, and it's horrible. The feeling. But yeah, and then there's the highs. That's where I want to be all the time. Like, I like when you are in, and like it goes up and down, like it's a roller coaster, literally. And I'm bipolar 1. It's one of the hardest, and like it's the worst out of the 4 different times. Because I reach the really highs and I reach the really lows. There's no in between. And when you're in the highs, you just want to do everything. You want to, like, you're so happy, you don't know where to put your mind to, and then you start getting like super angry and super irritatable because nothing's going your way. And like, it's just, it changes you. It changes how you think, and nothing is going the right way, so you get super irritated, super mad again. And then you start thinking about at least that, and then that's where anxiety comes in. You get anxious. You get so crazy about things sometimes that you don't know how to handle them because you're not taking it step by step. You're just going, that's personally, I'm talking about myself, like, that's just how it goes, and it creates like this like crazy amount of like things that you want to do, and it doesn't go as planned. And then I don't know, it's just really hard to explain. And I just want to like talk about it and be raw and honest as I can with you about it, and like I just want to be, I know I'm here for a purpose, and maybe this is one of them. This is one of the things that I want to help others with this disorder, like, or like if you're going through hard things, like I want to, this is the purpose I wanted my channel to be, of like positive. Like even though you're going through so many things in your life, this is just, I just want you to have a safe place like this. I'm here for you. I know it's super hard to come out to people and be honest about your feelings and how you are. It's hard to go up to people and like talk about your feelings. Like that's one of the things that I'm dealing with. It's so difficult for me to talk about my feelings, and I'm going to, the same thing, I'm like trying to help myself, and I'm not going through to therapy. I'm going to counseling sessions, and I have my psychiatrist, so I have to do all these things to feel and get better, and I need that help. And it's okay. It's okay to need that help, professional help, really. And yeah, it's just, I want you to be safe, be happy, and that's what the same thing I want for myself. And it's just a hard time. It's a hard time, and I know I get it. I'm here for it. I'm trying to take it until the positive note. I'm like trying to be positive about it and not beat myself for it, because I do feel that sometimes I like beat myself for it so much, and I hate it. Of course, who wants to be like this, right? But it's just, I just have to keep on going and pick up myself, and every time I fall, right, I'm gonna be there for myself. I'm gonna pick up myself, and I'm telling my future self as well that you're gonna keep like picking up yourself. Your fall, yeah, I'm gonna pick you up. So yeah, so it's just, I definitely want to keep talking more about this. I don't know like how to start, but I think this is a step. I want to just make it livable. We can do this. We can do this. We can make it possible. We can do whatever we want in life. We are here to be happy and to follow our dreams. And as hard as life gets, I just want to keep this positive, and like in my life I want to keep helping myself. So yeah, I don't know where to start. I don't know where to finish. But I definitely, like, I want to keep talking to you guys about my disorder, and that it's okay to be bipolar. So thank you so much for watching. If you want to know more about me, you can follow my Instagram, and I will link it down below, and I'll put it right here. So yeah, this was it. I want to definitely have a part 2, explain everything, what it is, how it feels to be honest, and like how I cope with it every day. So also let me know if you want to watch it. Oh, I would love to know. So yeah, thank you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.